Welcome back to AZ Technology Channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of hybrid vehicles. These incredible machines are revolutionizing the way we drive, offering increased fuel efficiency and reduced emissions without compromising performance. But how do they work? Let's break it down. Hybrid vehicles, in simple terms, combine a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor. This dynamic duo works together to power the vehicle, optimizing fuel consumption and reducing our carbon footprint. It's like having the best of both worlds. Now, you might be wondering, how do these two different power sources work together? Well, that's where the magic of hybrid technology comes in. There are three main types of hybrid systems: parallel hybrid, serial hybrid, and mixed hybrid. Let's explore each one in detail. First up, we have parallel hybrids. Imagine a tag team in the automotive world, with the gasoline engine and electric motor working side by side to propel the vehicle forward. That's precisely how parallel hybrids operate. In this system, both the gasoline engine and the electric motor are connected directly to the wheels, allowing them to work together seamlessly. When you need an extra boost of power, for instance, during acceleration, both the engine and the motor kick in, delivering instant torque and exhilarating performance. However, when cruising at a steady speed or coasting downhill, the electric motor can take over, allowing the gasoline engine to take a break and conserve fuel. This intelligent switching between power sources is what makes parallel hybrids so fuel efficient. Now, let's move on to serial hybrids. This system takes a different approach, with the electric motor being the sole source of power for the wheels. Think of it as an electric car with a range-extending generator. In a serial hybrid, the gasoline engine acts as a generator, producing electricity to power the electric motor. The engine doesn't directly drive the wheels, but instead focuses on keeping the battery charged and the electric motor running. This setup allows for a quieter and smoother driving experience, especially in urban environments, as the electric motor provides silent and instant torque. Serial hybrids are particularly well suited for city driving and stop-and-go traffic. Mixed hybrids. The best of both worlds. Last but not least, we have mixed hybrids, the most versatile of the bunch. As the name suggests, mixed hybrids combine the best features of both parallel and serial systems, offering optimal efficiency and performance. In a mixed hybrid system, the gasoline engine and electric motor can work independently or together, depending on the driving conditions. This intelligent interplay between the two power sources allows for maximum fuel efficiency without compromising performance. For instance, at low speeds, the electric motor can power the vehicle silently and efficiently. As speed increases, the gasoline engine seamlessly kicks in, providing additional power when needed. This dynamic switching between power sources ensures that the engine is always operating at its most efficient range. The benefits of hybrid vehicles: saving fuel and the planet. Now that we've explored the different types of hybrid systems, let's talk about the benefits of these remarkable vehicles. First and foremost, hybrid vehicles are incredibly fuel efficient. By combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor, they significantly reduce fuel consumption, saving you money at the pump and reducing your carbon footprint. But the benefits don't stop there. Hybrid vehicles also produce fewer emissions compared to their traditional gasoline-powered counterparts. This reduction in emissions contributes to cleaner air and a healthier environment for everyone. Hybrids, a stepping stone to a greener future. Hybrid vehicles are not just about saving fuel and reducing emissions. They represent a significant step towards a greener and more sustainable future for the automotive industry. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more efficient and eco-friendly hybrid vehicles in the years to come. Furthermore, the development of hybrid technology has paved the way for the rise of fully electric vehicles. By familiarizing ourselves with hybrid systems, we gain a better understanding of the potential of electric mobility and its role in shaping the future of transportation. Thank you for embracing the future of driving. So, there you have it. Hybrid vehicles offer a glimpse into the future of driving, where efficiency, performance, and environmental consciousness go hand in hand. By choosing a hybrid, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in a greener and more sustainable future for us all. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of hybrid vehicle technology. Together, let's embrace the future of driving and create a cleaner, greener world for generations to come. AZ Technology welcomes you all and see you in the next video. Wishing you happy, healthy, and safe driving.